Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the distinct count function in Power BI DAX. It's a great way to find the number of unique values in a column, perfect for counting unique customers, products, or transactions. The distinct count function returns the count of unique values from a column. The syntax is like very simple, distinct count of the column name. For example, unique customers is equal to distinct count of sales of customer ID. This will give you the total number of unique customers in your data set. I have a sample data set with columns sales amount, customer ID, and the region. Unique customers is equal to distinct count of customer ID. Okay, and I have added the card visuals and dropped the measures onto it. You will now see the total number of unique customers in your data set. It is showing 6 here, and when we come here, it is unique number of customers is 6. 1 is repeated here, 2 is also repeated, so number of unique values is 6. Total is 8 customer ID is there, but unique number of ID is 6 here. Remember, count counts all values, even duplicates, while distinct count ignore duplicates and only counts unique values. For example, count of customer ID might return 500, including repeat purchases. Distinct count customer ID might return 300 unique customers. Okay. Sometimes you might see blank values as well included in your count. By default, distinct count ignores blanks, but if you want to include them, you can wrap it inside a different logic. Also, make sure you use it as a measure, not inside a row context unless you know how to handle filters. You can use distinct count with filters to get unique counts for a specific segment. For example, here, unique customers for West. Here, what I written is calculate distinct count of sales of customer ID and sales of region is equal to West. For region West, what is the total unique customer ID? It's available. This will give you the number of unique customers from the West regions only. If we see in the Excel, West regions, how many regions? One, two, three is there. How many unique ID are there here? 2, 3, and 2. So number of unique IDs are 2 and it is returning 2, right? So it is matching. And that's the distinct count function in Power BI. It's a must have for accurate reporting when you need to count unique values in your data. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Power BI tips.